Can we set Spotify songs as ringtones? Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be finding out that. So let's just get started. Head over and open up Spotify on your device first of all. So once you head over to Spotify like this, you will be finding this particular interface on your screen given with different other options available here. So if you'd like to set Spotify's song as a ringtone, what you need to do is when you head over to one of the songs, for example, this song right here, you do not find a download option within the Spotify. Even if you found the download option, if you have the premium version of Spotify, you cannot set it as a ringtone. However, there are other ways you can set it as an alarm or anything. That is possible, but if you'd like to set it as a ringtone, it is not possible yet. So you need to use a third-party application or an online service to download the Spotify track. And once you download that particular song that you would like to set as a ringtone, you can just go to your settings of your devices and then find sounds and vibration. From there, go ahead and select ringtone. And from ringtone, select the where in which scene you would like to add the song, tap on it. And from there, you can tap on the plus icon at the top right and you can just go ahead and select the particular music that you would like to add as a ringtone. So just go ahead and select it. After that, add it up, and that way you can do so. So for now, that is only the way possible if you'd like to set Spotify song as ringtone. So that is it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.